is up, y'all, and welcome back to Qui Nichelle on the channel. Y'all know we talk about fashion, beauty, and life. And y'all, today I'm bringing y'all a quick little video of me installing a wig. I am starting to do like wig reviews. I never really thought about doing them that much, but I figured I do wear wigs sometimes, so why not go ahead and do reviews on them and, you know, get free wigs and stuff like that. Because if I don't make the wig, y'all, then you're gonna pay like a decent amount for a good quality wig. And sometimes I don't feel like making wigs, and then even when I make them, I still have to buy the bundles and the closures and stuff like that. So I decided to go ahead and jump into the wig reviewing world, because this can be done on like a really grand scale. I don't know how extreme I'm gonna get into it, but I'm already excited because I've already gotten 2 free wigs, and they both so far are really beautiful just by looking at them. But before we get all into the video, make sure you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, because y'all know how we do on the channel. And never forget to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle. So yeah, I wanted to jump right in. I am going to show y'all the wig came in this really nice little satin sachet bag. And I don't know if it's pronounced Mier or Mier, but this is an Amazon based company. I love already the packaging, how it came. And then they did send some additional stuff in another little sachet bag. And this is a wig cap, as y'all already can tell. They do have a little card here, which is all their little social media contact, stuff like that, and WhatsApp and all of this stuff, so you all can take a look at that. And you know, I'm assuming they're kind of new because they didn't have like a lot of reviews and stuff like that on there. But they did send some eyelashes. Hopefully y'all can see that. And then this cute little band, and this also has the name of the company on the band. This is a real nice band, Velcro, so really good quality band. I like this, and it's a little bit better, well, maybe a lot better than the ones that I made. But yeah, this is real nice, and I like the packaging. It's real girly and friendly and cute. Plus it's pink and purple, you know, just real girly. And also you can keep, you know, bags like this to store like 1 or 2 wigs in, maybe 3 depending on how big they are. So that's really like a plus as well. And I'll show y'all the actual wig. Now I did already bleach this wig. This is a closure wig too. The other wig that I'm gonna do on here at some point is a full frontal, but this one is a closure. I love closures actually because they're like easier to maneuver for me. Plus I like to take my wigs off at night, maybe keep it on 1 or 2 days, but most of the time I like to take my wigs off. And closure wigs are very simple to, you know, take off and on and whatever like that. So I did go ahead and bleach the knots. And I sewed this band in there. This band came with the wig, but it had let me show y'all. It had these little metal clips, but when I kept putting the wig on, these kept like coming out of the little slot that you slide it in. So I just went ahead and sewed the band in the wig, and I love the way it fits because I did put this on. The wig came already colored like this, and y'all, this wig is so freaking soft. I mean, seriously, it is so soft. But again, it did already come colored like this, so I did not have to color it. This is a 20-inch, I think it's water wave. I'll put the name on the screen once I look it up, because I think it said water wave or deep wave, something like that. But like I said, it already came colored. All I did was literally bleach the knots. And then as you can tell on the closure, it's already like, if it focuses. Hold on, y'all. That's a, hold on, y'all. I'm trying to get it where y'all can see. It's already like pre-cut, if y'all can tell, like the little ridges on there, because let me see. Okay. So it's pre-cut, but I think I'm gonna have to cut it just a little bit shorter. You know, when I get ready to put it on. And closure wigs are so easy to apply. That's why I really love closure wigs. All of the wigs that I make are closure wigs. Even though I do know how to do frontals, I'm a closure girl. For the reasons that I already told y'all. So this has already been like shampooed and conditioned. I did let it air dry. And like I said, it is so soft. Very minimal shedding, but you know, with any type of hair with no moisture on it, could cause, you know, a little bit of shedding. But this is a really good wig. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. And when I first even tried it on straight out the package, I was like, oh my goodness, because it was so freaking soft and just really pretty. It didn't smell like anything weird or anything. And another great thing, when I shampooed this wig after I bleached the knots, when I shampooed it, it didn't even have like dirty water. So they let me know they actually shampooed this hair before, you know, sending it out. Because I know I have shampooed wigs before, or bundles, and they are like extremely dirty. But this wig was not. So right now we at a 10 out of 10. And I did start to brush this back, and then I said, well, you gonna record, so go ahead and, you know, get the camera out, because I almost forgot, y'all. But I'm just spraying this around the edges and brushing it back just so that it's smooth when I put the wig on or whatever. So that's what I'm doing. The rest of the video I probably won't be talking, because it's literally just me putting the wig on. I may do a voiceover if need be, but I'm literally just gonna put this on and style it, not do very much to it, because I just want like a little side part, and then I'm gonna wear it like this, but I think I'm gonna wet it up just a little bit. So all right, see y'all in the next clip.
Share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true. And I'm digging you. You make me believe that your love is Yeah. Work, 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 work. Do me, I can work, 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 work. Do me, dirt, 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 dirt. So me for that work, 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 work. When you walk a la, 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 la. And the girls them hurt, da, 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 da. Try me, I deserve it. Let the devil lurking. Yeah. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the right. Nobody touched me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams are duration. You